Hello and good day from Wajid Sons. Current vehicle is Lamborghini. Currently the battery is replaced in this car. Was G14 12 volt 95Ah EGM battery. It comes as an original spare part for this car and is made in Germany. After replacing the battery, we have to register and program the battery, which was done through the help of scanner. It is very necessary after replacing the battery to register the battery in the power control module of the vehicle, because if not registered, it will consider it as an old battery and the voltage regulator and alternator will overcharge the battery. It is the complete procedure which you will see further. DTCs were cleared. Before that, we have checked the health report of vehicle and all of the fault codes were cleared. Because of the previously installed battery, due to the weak battery, there are always fault codes. It is necessary to clear all the fault codes previously after replacement of the new battery. Old was by Johnson Control battery 92H, as you can see. Now we are going to configure the new battery. Installed battery was Varta and its capacity was 95Ah. The serial number which we are going to write is mentioned on the battery, which is a BEM code. This should be given to match the new replaced battery. The VAO stands for Varta. All of the codes are given now. As you can see, the battery is now matched successfully. You can visit us for your car battery. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for getting updated regarding new batteries. Thanks for watching. Wajid Sons, Pakistan.